In this tutorial, we will show you the feature of creating polls in WhatsApp. Whether you want to gather opinions, conduct surveys, or simply break the ice, this tutorial will provide you with a step-by-step approach to creating polls in WhatsApp. Let's get started. Open the WhatsApp app on your device. I am using for this test an Android phone, but this should be the same on iPhone. Start a chat with the group or individual you want to create a poll for. In the chat window, tap on the attachment icon located in the bottom left corner of the screen. It looks like a paperclip on Android and a plus sign on iOS. From the attachment options, select Poll. In the Ask a Question field, enter your poll question or topic. Below the question, add up to 12 poll options. Allow multiple answers. Enable this option if you want participants to be able to select multiple poll options. Once you are satisfied with your poll, tap on the Send button. The poll will be sent to the chat participants. To view the poll results, simply tap on the poll message in the chat. The results will show you the number of votes for each option. Congratulations! You have successfully created a poll in WhatsApp. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.